We are now looking at a nice lot of early 20th century offset photographic images depicting the Philippines and the people of the Philippines. We see here Governor Taft before he was president. And these, oh look, the Philippine Commission there, all the Moro boats coming out. Here's a rubber tree. These were done, I believe, around 1914. And I'm not sure of the source. They were in a large lot that we bought some time back, and I set them aside to offer them here all together at some point, which is what we're now doing. There we go, that's interesting. Look at this. Yeah, very fascinating sort of, look at this. Headhunters, whoa. Ha! The men were expecting to be attacked. And here's Ifugao, constabulary soldiers. And here we have a building. We have two more images here. Governor. And, oh, look at that, a flying ferry. So this lot of images relating to the Philippines done around 1914 is now currently available online from me, Brian DeMambro.